Afternoon, everybody. It is Friday. Okay, last video for this week. Let us see. Okay, and remember, you have this URL in the video description if you want to tackle the exercise, you know, on your own before seeing me like solving this problem 3.1. In this URL you already have the test, property-based test, which is using some sort of a strategy called the Oracle strategy, in which, in order to test a method, a function, you already have one correct implementation that you want to improve. In our case, we are not going to improve the implementation provided by the Scala system. You know, we are using tail for list, for all lists. We request it tail. I'm not sure if it is clear, you know. We're going to construct a list, a version of a list using my list, you know, with this periodic parameter, which is here, which is going to pass the list, Scala list, native list, and then it will be testing if tail of the list, the correct already implemented in the Scala system, it is equal to the tail that we are going to write over here of our list. Okay, this should be true only if the list is non-empty. In the problem, we are told that if the user passed an empty list, an error should be informed to the user. You can do that. For the time being, we are just returning true. But in the future, you might want to implement some sort of failure over here, or come up with another test down here for empty list. Okay, so let's do it. Let us see how much time we have to spend. 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Time flies for sure. So we need to implement tail. Look at this. Tail function. This function has to be polymorphic. It doesn't have to be polymorphic, but it's a good thing to have. We will be sending only list of int. You can change this data type, but we are only generating list of int. But the function is ready to operate on other data types. And we're going to call these arriving ints. We can say ace. We can say ns. It's up to you. And it's going to return my list of A. And now we need to implement the list to return the tail of the list. Sorry, to implement the function to return the tail of the list. We have called ns or parameter. Look at this. This case was automatically generated. It's cool. Let's see for this what happens if we initiate over here. The same. That case should be invented. Okay. Okay, case. Let us call it HTML. It is not recommended to use lowercase l, and because you can confuse it with number one, but in here there is syntax coloring, so TL it is. So we are returning the tail, and if it is anything else, the book says that we should set error empty list. Parameter is an empty list. Now tail is ready. Let us, run the stuff. What's going on here? How do you fix this error? There is another thing, but let's focus one error after the other. Hopefully you are seeing what the mistake over here. Okay, now that should do it, and we are with more errors that I wasn't expecting. Remember, this is live session. It is something related with tabs and spaces. So I think I'm going to move this over here to here now. Okay. If this doesn't fix it, I don't know. Okay. Please props exercise tail implementation. Okay, 100 and test automatically generated for you have passed. So yeah, hopefully you stop the video at the beginning, give it a try, and the test is already for you there, for you to enjoy it. Okay, it's weekend, have fun, and hopefully, I don't know, it's on Monday, Tuesday, we'll be doing the next exercise. Enjoy your weekend, hit the weekend, and see you the next time. Thank you for okay, let us see if I can say something about here. We are doing a pattern matching over the parameter, and if it is a list with this structure, okay, head and tail, we are like decomposing the stuff. We are returning the tail because a list is either a nil or either accounts of a head and a tail. Okay, so this pattern is our first candidate, and we are returning the tail. Other than that, we don't care any longer to whatever the user has provided. And yeah, we said you did something wrong, and you can test this part over here, down here. I won't do it. You can do it. Enjoy it. Thank you very much, and see you the next time. Bye.